Hello, my name is Gediminas and welcome to unboxing series of Teltonika Telematics. And today we're going to unbox the FMB230, FMC230 and FMM230 series. So let's get straight into it. Let's see what's inside this box. From the first look, you have simple brown box. All of our devices are being packed in the same box. Opening it up, you have FMB230, device itself, and the wire. So it comes with the standard packing, the wire, and this wire in particular has 3 digital inputs and outputs, 2 analog inputs, 1 wire, and as well CAN input, so we can simply connect the CAN adapter. But if you don't need all of that, we have simple U-type wire, so we can connect the device straight to the battery. Yes, so going further and overviewing the device itself, which really caught my eye, is this blue rubber over here, and it looks pretty tight. So while you press up the device together, it gives you the IP67 water and dust resistant. So when you put your SIM card over here, you just simply click it up. And one thing I would like to mention, that we can also put the SIM card for you in the factory, so you would get the devices straight out of the box ready to use. So let's see how this clicks up and how this water resistant is provided. So yeah, as you can hear, there are 2 clicks one side, 2 clicks another side, just a little more push over here, and you have device ready to use. Putting as well the wire over here, and that's it. Device is set up. And one of the most important thing as well I would like to mention is that we have 3 different versions of these devices: FMB230, FMC230 and FMM230, which means it's Cat 1, Cat M1 and 2G, and we are covering the whole world. Now let's see what use cases this device can do. So the main use cases of this device is construction equipment monitoring in construction sites, highway service vehicles monitoring, and any other use cases where you can find harsh conditions. So for testing that, we have used this device in the car rally last year, and it withstands those conditions pretty well. And moving further, I would like to summarize what we have just covered in this video. This device is very easy to use and set up, water and dust resistance without any screws, and can be used in harsh conditions and have multiple I/O elements. And for the end, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, visit our website for more information about our products. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for another video.